quick fucking tutorial here. I have a bit of a cold, as you can probably tell. We're just gonna get right into it. Okay, we have a couple clips here. We're gonna fucking merge these together using the built-in audio sync function. Let's take a look at what we have right now. Now select them all, right click, and hit fucking synchronize. Make sure audio is selected, then hit OK. Now test it out. Alright, that looks pretty fucking good. You can delete this backing track. Okay, so if you have two takes, you want to kind of combine them together. Do the same thing with the other clip. Right click, unlink, fucking synchronize, audio, hit OK. Check it out, make sure it looks good. That looks pretty good. Okay, so then delete that backing track. Using this fucking audio clip that you synced it up to, break that up and line it up so that these two tracks are start at the same time. You can get rid of them. Now you'll have your clips synced up here and you can make some cuts. I just want to say I appreciate all the support and the wonderful fucking comments. So, it's really the most successful channel I've ever ran. Pretty solid. Fuck.